Reading Comprehension. The Clever Fox. Once upon a time, there was a lion. All the animals in the jungle were terribly afraid of him. One day, the lion fell sick. A goat and a sheep decided to visit the lion. First, the goat entered the cave. Before the goat came out, the sheep went in. After some time, a fox came to the cave. He heard a voice from inside the cave saying, "Who's out there? Please come in." The fox answered, "I'm extremely sorry. I won't go in now because you have visitors. I see hoof marks going in, but none coming out. I will go in when your visitors come out." In the end, the fox did not go into the cave. He was clever, so he was safe. Comprehension questions. Choose the correct answer. Question 1. Can you name the characters in the story? A. Lion, monkey, sheep and fox. B. Lion, goat, sheep and fox. C. Lion, sheep and fox. Question 2. Where did the story take place? A. It took place in a zoo. B. It took place in a farm. C. It took place in a jungle. Question 3. What happened to the lion? A. The lion was sick. B. The lion was sleeping. C. The lion was playing. Question 4. Who visited the lion in the cave? A. The fox and sheep. B. The sheep and goat. C. The fox and goat. Question 5. The fox decided not to enter the lion's cave because A. He saw hoof marks going in but none coming out. B. He saw it was too dark inside the cave. C. He heard noises inside the cave. Let's check your answers. Question 1. The answer is B. Lion, goat, sheep and fox. Question 2. The answer is C. It took place in a jungle. Question 3. The answer is A. The lion was sick. Question 4. The answer is B. The sheep and goat. Question 5. The answer is A. He saw hoof marks going in but none coming out. Now, in your opinion, what happened to the sheep and goat? Was the lion really sick? Was the fox clever? Why? You may share your answers with a friend. Well done!